Okay. Now next, Suraj, tell me yourself. What is, where are you from? What are the skills you have? What you want to become in your life? And what are the things that used to be your dream? Okay, thank you. Uh, so our introduction part is complete and induction part also complete. So now we moving to the third part, which is a Python programming language, how to set up the environment for a Python. So I am just sharing the screen. Give me a second. Okay. So I have known that some of you guys have know already the Python basics. So you have a do a good thing. So you just need to complete the assignment. If right. Uh, so to set up an Python environment, you just need to download the Python. So just type Google Python. The Python website is come. You just need to go to the download section, then just download the this latest version. After that exe file is downloaded, you will need to install these things, right? If you have a running a Ubuntu or a Linux, then you just need to just type this command sudo apt install python 3, right? This will command install the Python in uh, Ubuntu and Linux, right? So we have just set up our Python in our local environment. So now we just moving to programs. So we just done today a simple programs, right? So give me a second. Okay. So to code, to write a code of Python, you just need an code editor. So I will use VS Code. This is a code GitHub VS Code. You can also use in cloud VS Code, right? I just change the theme to dark. Okay. So moving toward, I just make sure that you need to mark your attendance. So for marking your attendance, you just go to the WhatsApp group. I will share in this option chat. WhatsApp group of Python development unpaid, and go to the description of that group, and you will be finding on a link Airtable that you just need to mark your attendance there. I will be sharing a secret code with you. You just need to type that secret code in that section. Give me a second. I will be sharing also sharing the chat section. Okay, so I am sharing this link. You just need to click, and the secret code of today is. Give me a second. Yeah, I have also shared the secret code. You just need to copy the secret code and just paste to the uh, in that form, right? So do this. I will wait for 2 minutes. Yes, Suraj, you have raised hand. Is there any problem? You have marked your attendance. Yes, Hemant Kumar. I am sharing in chat. This is Chrome events backend. You just need to go to the chat. I will also again. I will also share it in WhatsApp group. Hemant Kumar, you have just type your name in email section. Please mark your attendance again. You have typed your name in email. You just need to give email in the email section, not your name. Please do again. Hi Purvi, we have justly done two parts of today. Right now we have done attendance part. Uh, you need to mark your attendance. I will share a link in chat. You just need to click on that link, or you can just find that link in a WhatsApp group. Go to the WhatsApp in group. In description, you will find an attendance form Airtable. You just need to click, and I am also sharing a code which is Chrome Event Blackfield. This is the secret code you need to give in form, right? Last person. Jignesh, we have already done two parts of today's task. Right now we have doing task mark attendance. So to do mark your attendance, you just need to go to the WhatsApp group in Python development. In that description, you will find an attendance link. You need to go, click on that link, and I also have sharing a secret code. in WhatsApp. You just need to copy that. Okay, Komal has done. Vishal have also done. Suraj Yadav done. Uh, Jignesh, you have not done. Please mark your attendance. Okay, so now we have just moved start our today task topic. Give me a second. So everyone just know about GitHub, how to set up GitHub. Is I audible? Okay, so everyone know about GitHub. Is there any person who don't know about GitHub? Okay, everyone just know. Okay, we will be start. So today we will be doing just the simple things, and after that class, I will be sharing assignment. There will be 11 questions you needed to complete, and you need to just submit that things in before the deadline. Okay. So today we will start with a simple program which is hello world. So I have already know you have know everything this simple thing, but there are some people who are starting their career life with programming. So okay, just be patient for those people who have already know the Python basics. You will be getting know about something new after 3-4 days. Okay. So to print anything using Python, we justly use print command. Just write print and what you wanted to print, just type there. Type hello world. Okay. So to run that program, you just need to type. Give me a second. You just need to type Python and then your file name which you wanted to run. Okay, so we will be run this file, and the output of this is hello world, right? So our fourth task also completed, hello world program, and now we will looking for how we can create a variable and assigning a variables, and what are the types of variable we can use in Python, right? Give me a second. Okay, variable. Okay. So for creating a variable, you just need just anything you want it. Just like name is holding Aryan, right? Age is anything you want to add, right? So these are variables, name, age, and you will be add these values in that variable. It will be storing in that variable, and if you wanted to print that variable, just type name, print name, and print a, right? If you wanted to print both things, like name equals to, so you need to plus sign and just add str is string. The print command will output as a string. So and then you just uh, just find again, and age will be age, right? So now we just run this command python to variable dot py. So we have just done fifth task, which is assigning a variable and how to create variable and add data in it. Third task we have uh, if as statement, conditional statement. So third thing is this whole code will be available, right? You just need to go to the Python group description, and there will be a repository of GitHub. You just need to click, and all the code will be available for you, right? Don't worry about that. Just understand the things. So if else. So we just creating a simple program, which is we will be taking an input from a user, and if that number is greater than zero, then will be output positive, and if uh, more than zero, then we will be negative, and if it is zero, then we will be printing zero. So for taking the input from the user, we just use input command, which is like that input command, and give me a second, input, and what you wanted to show when user wanted to input. So enter your number, right? So now if we wanted to add conditional statement, if we have number greater than zero, then print the number is positive. Else if number is smaller than zero, then just print, sorry, else if elif बोलते हैं हम इसे पाइथन में, C प्लस प्लस में हम else if लिखते हैं, but पाइथन में we will be writing in elif. So we will be using print the number is negative, right? Else print the number is zero. We just run this simple command. Okay, Python 3 and okay, we are just getting an error. Why we get this? Okay, I have just typed error there. Okay, so it will be asking from my number, so I just giving 5 number. So if this positive, this is a positive number, right? If I just give around a zero number, then what will happen? It is then output the number is zero, and if I type -8 number, then it will be a negative number. So we will complete our 6 task, which is a conditional statement. After that, we will um, doing now loop statement, right? For creating loop, we will use for loop and while loop. So we will loop. First, we will use for loop. So loop is a continuously things. So if we wanted to print from range between 1 to 100, we just type this thing, which is for I in range. Range means the range between them, which is 1 to 100, and we just print I. It will be automatically increment. We do not specify the plus minus and anything. You just need the simple thing, and you will be print fourth number 1 to 100. Okay, so the printer number is already done, which is 99, right? So now we will go to the while loop section, which is 4.2. Okay, so while loop is also similar to the for loop, but it is different when we just do things. So, like, you just need to initialize the variables before the loop. Like, if number is zero, starting number is zero, and we just need to print the number when I तक वो 100 के ऊपर नहीं होता. While number is smaller than 100, then we need number, and also we need to tell Python to just plus these things. So we just run this thing while loop. Okay, we are also print these things. Okay, our many tasks are just completing, and now we will understand break statement. So it will be coming under the conditional statement, break statement. So we will be using break.py. So break is a statement we will be using if we wanted to break the loop. So firstly we creating a loop which is number. While number is smaller than 100, just leave. Okay. If number is greater than 50, just break that thing. Right. We need to just print this thing. So what does this program do? We will go to 0 to 100 and it will plus this thing. And if the number is greater than 50, then it will break the loop statement. So we'll be running that program Python 5. Okay. So when the number is equals to 51, then it will be break it. Right. So our 5 tasks is complete today. Now the next task we will knowing about function. Right. Function.py. So what is a function? Right. So function mainly usually when we wanted to code, we will write all code in that function. We just giving the input to that function. That function will return some value. We do not want it to mix all the code with. So we just creating a function, right? So for creating a function, we will using the ef, then function name. What you want it to do? Function fa for now, right? So we will the fun function. We will just whenever we call this function, we want to print fun, right? Output for that function, just leave fun, just bracket and just run this program. Function. Okay, there's an error. What is that? Okay. Okay. So you will be see that one is output. So now the second thing is how to take argument in a function. Argument. What do you mean by argument? Argument are the variables that function will be taking as an input. So function take argument, right? So we will be creating a simple function and function को change कर देते हैं. We will be changing to sum, right? Whenever we are just giving the two inputs to a function and it will be returning the sum of these functions. So this is we will, okay, for a simple, we will just receive this and just print C. Right. So sum 2 plus 2, which will be this, and sum 4 by 5. Okay. So what these things, this will be taking an input A and B, and there is just plus and save this in the C variable and just printing the C variable. So run that thing. Python 6. Okay, so 2 plus 2 4 and 4 plus 5 9. So all the today tasks are completed. Now I will be sharing you a simple assignment which will consist of 11 questions. These are a simple question. I think you have already knowledge of programming of Python basics. So you will take like 1 hour to just submit that. Okay. So give me a second. Okay. We will learning about just the basic of Python. After some days, we will be creating some crazy projects. The crazy projects are that we will be scraping a lot of data, 100 of GB of data. We will be scrap and we will be visualizing it. We will be creating a server. How we can handle 1 million requests per second. We will be knowing about that. So don't worry about that. If you already know, that is a good thing. But you will be knowing about new things in this internship program. And you will be assigning to a project after 4 days. That project are real life project, and you need to do that things. Right? These are real life projects, and you're just getting a too much knowledge about the new things. Right? So you will be finding this program in the WhatsApp group description. They will be, I have shared GitHub, and I also share the attendance progress sheet and attendance progress. Sorry, assignment progress. So you can also track where are the where you stand in that group, right? So day one completed. So thank you for all of you. I will share the assignment in that group. If you wanted to just quit this meeting, you can. If you have any doubt, any questions, you can ask me. If you have any doubt, please. Is I audible? ओके वैसे आपको पहले से आती होगी ना ये पाइथन की बेसिक्स हाँ आपके लिए तो इजी है बट ये है कि 2-3 दिन रुक जाइए आपको प्रोजेक्ट पे डाल दिया जाएगा रियल उस पे तो आपको कुछ अच्छा ही पड़ेगा ये तो सिर्फ उनके लिए जो आपके साथ कुछ बच्चे हैं जिनको नहीं आती पाइथन उनके लिए बेसिक्स है ओके तो आप अभी क्विट कर सकते हैं इस मीटिंग को आप असाइनमेंट मैं व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर कर दूंगा आई विल बी शेयरिंग द असाइनमेंट टू व्हाट्सएप and you just need to submit before the deadline, right? If any other doubt, okay, thank you.